What's up, chess players? I'm Coach Tae, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. As always, if you want to learn how to play chess, subscribe to the channel and go check out my other videos. This episode is all about the queen, the most powerful piece in chess. Let's begin. You only get one queen at the start of the game. The queen always starts on her own color. So if you're playing white, she's on the white square. If you're playing black, she's on the black square. White queen, white square, black queen, black square. That always helped me remember where the queen starts. The queen is the combination of both the rook and the bishop. So she moves up and down, left to right, like the rook, or in a diagonal, like the bishop. Basically, she can move in any direction and as many squares as she wants. However, she can't jump in an L shape like the knight. Just to clarify, she can't do something like this and go to A2 in one turn. It's going to take her 2 turns to get to A2. She's powerful, but that doesn't mean she can just teleport to any square on the chessboard. Here's an example. The queen can go all the way to the right and capture the pawn on G5. Then the queen will even be attacking the pawn on E7 after that. Here's another one. She can go all the way in a diagonal and capture the rook. Again, she moves and captures just like the rook and the bishop combined. Time for some practice problems. Here, what can the queen capture? Very good, the queen can capture the bishop on G5. What can she capture here in this problem? Very good, queen captures knight on B6. Now in this problem, what can she safely capture? Make sure you look at the entire chessboard and you ask yourself what is being protected. Here, you need to see that the knight on D6 is protecting both the rook and the bishop. So if we capture one of those pieces, then we're going to lose our queen. The bishop on G3 is not protected, however, so we can safely capture that one. Now let's use the queen to attack some pieces. How can we attack the bishop on H2? There's more than one way. Try to find as many as you can. Okay, so we can go to E2, F2, or H4. Those will all attack the bishop on H2. Queen to D2 does attack the bishop, but we're gonna get our queen captured by the rook. Queen E5 also gets our queen captured by the bishop. So previously in the knight's video, I mentioned something called a double attack. A double attack is simply attacking 2 pieces at the same time with 1 piece. We're going to do more in depth about double attacks in my intermediate series. But I want to introduce the idea early, so I want you to try this problem. How can we attack both the rook on B8 and the bishop on G5 in one turn using the queen? If you found queen to E5, then excellent job. You're well on your way becoming a better chess player. Queen E5 is very powerful. We're attacking both the rook and the bishop at the same time. So if black moves the rook, then we're just going to simply capture the bishop. If black moves the bishop, then we're simply going to capture the rook. Either way, we're capturing a strong piece. That just wraps it up with the queen, guys. Remember, white queen, white square, and black queen, black square. If you enjoy these videos, follow along the channel because more videos are on the way. Stay safe, chess players, and I'll see you guys in the next one.